Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're checking out the Coral Vision CarPlay Dashboard Console. And I thought I'd just go for a little spin and show you the navigation on CarPlay specifically, and using Apple Maps this time as we go around the various areas. And we're going to get cracking and just go for a little drive, see what the navigation delay is. I'm using Wireless CarPlay across Wireless CarPlay using my iPhone 11 Pro, and hopefully the sun's not going to be too bright for us today, and we'll be able to get a good picture between us. And got a bit of a junction coming up. So if you've not seen our previous video on the Coral Vision dashboard, we've got a great little portable display that runs a high resolution screen. The wireless version is an IPS display, so it's got great colour, good sharpness because of the resolution, and it's got good wide field of view. It's not going to degrade as you look at it from acute angles, and then basically the system just plugs in onto your windscreen, plugs into a 12-volt AC port in your car to power it, and then basically you then connect to it either through a wire, or if you've got the wireless model, which is about $100 more, you can do Wireless CarPlay too. Both models support Android Auto as well, so that's a good addition to how that works. Not many head units sort of can support both at the same time, so it's just a quick menu press away. You don't even have to install this unit. It literally works with your car stereo. That's really the best unique selling point with this system, in that you just use the wireless nature of the FM transmitter, or you to send the audio signal, or you basically use the aux output port, and you can plug in an aux cable into a port on your car if you've got one. More older cars don't have an aux port, so what we'll be doing is that you can also plug it into a 3.5 millimeter port in a portable speaker, and you can get audio that way into your car. But most cars support FM stereos, so you can just use a FM stereo to connect to this console and have your audio play through your car speakers. I don't know if I'm using guidance, so what I'll do, I'll try and enable guidance over the speakers, so you can then hear guidance being made, and we can go from there. So this supports Android Auto and CarPlay, as I've mentioned. It also supports MirrorLink for Android. Unfortunately, it doesn't support AirPlay. That might be something that we might see in a future model. And also it supports rear view camera feed with a bundled rear view camera that comes with the wireless model only. So that's quite handy. You connect the very long cable and then plug it into the cable in your you plug it onto the cable that's supplied on the back of your rear view light, and it detects this light and then enables the camera to function. Right, so we've just gone to our first destination. I'm just going to park up and then set another destination and then go from there. Okay, so new destination set. We are now going through with Google Maps. And
turn left onto Lenham Avenue, then turn left to stay on Lenham Avenue.
So we now have navigation turned on using Google Maps, and we've got the FM transmission playing on our Alpine head unit.
Turn left onto Saltdean Drive.
Tuned into the frequency that we've set using the FM transmitter function on the dashboard console, and then that is now giving us the audio through our car speakers.
In 300 yards, turn right onto Fount Hill Avenue.
So as you can see, it's very clear. We're using the FM transmission, which
turn
doesn't
left
have.
onto Chichester Drive West.
Just going to do a reroute here, but it's very clear. We're not getting any distortion from other frequencies, which is great. Just like we've got it actually plugged in through a
Head
cable.
east on Saltdean Drive towards Arundel Drive West, then turn left onto Arundel Drive West. In a quarter of a mile, continue straight onto Saltdean Vale.
So you can also plug in a USB port, a USB stick, and you can also plug in a micro SD card with files in it to play media. You can play this media, including video, whilst you drive, although you don't want to play any video whilst you drive.
Continue straight onto Saltdean Vale, then turn left onto Chichester Drive West.
But I hope you've enjoyed this quick, brief demo of navigation using the Coral Vision.
Turn left onto Chichester Drive West, then you will arrive at your destination.
CarPlay display, and look out for more videos all about the console. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.
Thank you.